Hey guys, welcome to the MS Excel tutorial. In today's string functions, I'm going to cover upper function. Now, what is this upper function? Upper function is used to convert the case of particular string in uppercase. We sometimes call it as capital case. So now let me show you with the help of an example. Say this is the string I have, example string, the names Bond, James Bond. Now, when I say the name is Bond, James Bond, the upper function for this particular string would be everything in capital. So how would I write that upper function? Equals upper. Now, when you write equal uppers, it asks you for the text, which is again, you can even give a hard code text or you can give the reference of the text. And that's it. You close the function. When you press the enter key, you see the particular string will be converted to uppercase in one shot. So with this, I conclude the upper function. Thank you.